Let's cast a simple tea spell to relieve stress. You can do this whenever you need to relax and unwind. It's very easy. Remember to turn off your phone and find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Light a blue candle on your altar. Heat 2 cups of water and find a teacup. You will add some hyssop tea and pour the water. While you wait for the tea to steep, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Let's get started. Inhale and exhale deeply. Feel how with each breath, every muscle of your body relaxes. Focus on your legs as they relax. Now your toes, your joints. Every part of your body is loose and relaxed. Your back and neck are relaxed. Keep inhaling and exhaling slowly through your nose. You inhale, and as you do this, a wonderful sense of peace and serenity takes over your entire body. Let all rigidity out as you exhale. Inhale deeply and picture a beautiful place where the sun is shining and the air gently touches your hair and brushes your skin. Time is passing slowly and peacefully. There are no hurries, no anxiety, not a single thought in your mind. Now all you feel is the breeze in your face and in your hair. Inhale deeply and fill your lungs with that calming, cleansing air. You are feeling better and better and better. You are tranquility. Nothing could disturb your peace now. Keep inhaling and exhaling, deeply and slowly. Take a sip of your tea and feel its warmth entering your body. Visualize a gentle light starting to grow inside your chest. This bright light is your heart. It's a flare that reminds you that you are a unique, perfect, complete person. Inhale deeply and let that radiance fill you up with thoughts of love and light. Repeat after me. With each deep breath, I fill myself with peace. Feelings of peace bring me happiness. I am at peace with my emotions. I accept and approve of myself. I live in peace. I live in harmony. I forgive myself and I forgive all the people who hurt me. I surround myself with love and peace. I am a very valuable person. I trust my intuition. Slowly open your eyes and take a sip of tea, breathing in its rich aroma. Your body is slowly receiving the calming properties of hyssop, and all these positive thoughts are already healing you from the inside out. Keep inhaling and exhaling deeply. Take another sip. Hyssop tea is creating a very mild sedation effect, maybe even dropping your heart rate just a bit. Inhale and exhale. You are completely relaxed and at peace. Keep drinking the tea. A cup of hyssop tea will always help you relieve anxiety, stress, and promote a sense of calm. If you're under any medications, pregnant or nursing, check with your doctor for possible side effects.